Hey humans, welcome to Engineer Invests. On this channel, I reveal my experience with investing on the stock market through the Hargreaves Lansdown platform. So, do your distant cousin a favor and subscribe to my channel. Today, we are talking about why I invest on Hargreaves Lansdown. Now, everyone complains that they think Hargreaves Lansdown's fees are just too expensive, but in my experience, they are not. Plus, it's a valuable platform that's worth the cost in my opinion. I'll break down fees in another video. But for now, let's focus on why I love it. Before we begin, I just want to let you know that I have written a book on tax-free investing within the UK for beginners, so find the Amazon link below in the video description, available as a Kindle ebook and paperback. 1. Their mobile app. Hargreaves Lansdown have their own app that makes investing more convenient and easy to access. Many brokers have their own mobile apps, but Hargreaves Lansdown's app is just superior. On the app, you can access their investment research, your investment accounts, your watch lists, get an overview on how the stock markets are performing in trending stocks, as well as easily manage your accounts from the app. Unlike other brokers, the Hargreaves Lansdown app is very user-friendly. The interface is intuitively designed, easy to navigate, clear and uncluttered, beautiful style, and allows you to enjoy your investing experience. This is a feature that you can't get from using Vanguard, which does not have an app, or from using interactive brokers, for example, who have a messy and confusing app. 2. Safety. Hargreaves Lansdown is a massive company that uses several bank accounts to hold your money when it is inside a Hargreaves investment account, but not invested. In a normal bank within the UK, you are insured to hold up to 85k in case of your bank collapsing. This benefit is per bank account, but as Hargreaves use several bank accounts, you can technically hold upwards of £340,000 uninvested. This is because they use around 11 bank accounts to hold your uninvested money. If your cash is invested, they just hold your investment certificate on your behalf. 3. Tax efficiency. Hargreaves Lansdown offers tax-free accounts in the UK, like the Stocks and Shares Individual Savings Account, or ISA for short, and the Self-Invested Personal Pension, or SIP for short. British brokers usually have a general investment account that does get capital gains and dividend taxes applied on investments. At Hargreaves Lansdown, this is the Fund and Share account. But they also offer ISAs, which are a tax-efficient savings scheme offered by the UK government. I will focus on the ISAs and explain the SIP another time. An ISA allows you to do all your normal investing, but without any of the taxes. You can put up to £20,000 into your ISA account each financial year, and whenever you invest it and sell at a capital gain or receive a dividend payment from your stocks, you won't get taxed at all. There also isn't a withdrawal limit nor penalty, so if you hit it big time and received a gain of £1 million, none of that will be taxed. I will make a separate video about investing within an ISA, but if you haven't taken the dip yet, you ought to get started. We have just entered a new financial year from April 5th in the UK, so the ISA limit has refreshed, and it's very unwise to waste this limit. Buy my book on Amazon for a beginner's guide on getting started. 4. Investment options. Hargreaves offers a huge range of securities to buy from. This includes stocks, from penny stocks to large cap stocks, exchange-traded funds, mutual funds, bonds, real estate investment trusts, and even venture capital trusts. Hargreaves is excellent for investing in the British stock market, including the alternative investment market, or AIM for short, and the main market, which includes the FTSE 100 to the FTSE 350. Most other brokers fail to compare to the sheer availability of assets to invest in at Hargreaves. Furthermore, if you struggle picking your own investments, Hargreaves have pre-made investment packages. These pre-made investment packages are based on your risk appetite and go from funds that take higher risks seeking higher rewards, down to funds that take lower risks and should technically be more stable investments. The options vary again between actively managed funds and funds that are not actively managed, so you can choose the investment vehicles that best suit your style, your level of involvement, and your appetite for risk. Subscribe to stay tuned for other videos where I will explain how to choose investments. 5. Research. The Hargreaves platform has a stream of new investment content produced and displayed to read through their app. Hargreaves employs analysts to produce investment research articles just for you. These articles include recommended stocks to invest in at various times of the year, and a whole range of other important information for amateur investors to absorb, like ideas, personal finance tips, insights into stocks and funds, and the latest news on world events that will affect your investment portfolio. These research tools set Hargreaves apart from its competition. In addition to stock market analysis, you have an easy-to-use interface that allows you to view the stock market internationally and check which stocks are the biggest risers and fallers and which stocks are being traded the most that day. A trade is either a sell or a buy. 6. Regular investing. Hargreaves provides a way for you to make trades free of charge and improve your investment discipline at the same time. As a long-term investor, you want to make as few trades as possible whilst maximizing returns. This is because trading whenever you want usually incurs more trading fees. Normally, Hargreaves charges a flat fee of £11.95 per trade, regardless of the size of the trade. However, Hargreaves have created a unique way to incur zero trade fees. If you trade using their direct debit regular saver feature, you can buy stocks free of charge. So, how does this work? Well, you set up a direct debit and pre-choose the stocks or funds you want to invest that money into. On the 7th of each month, or the next working day, Hargreaves will take the direct debit amount out of your bank and bring it into your investment account. Then, on the 11th of each month, or next working day, Hargreaves will action the trades you pre-chose and for the portions you chose to invest in each. This is great for building investment discipline because it encourages you to trade less and focus more on value and the long-term outlook of an investment. Plus, you can allocate more money to your trades as there won't be any trade fees using this method. This feature makes Hargreaves extremely competitive amongst competition. You can't get any cheaper than for free. In other videos, I'll delve into more detail surrounding the difference in cost investing in a fund or individual stocks. And last but not least, number 7. The 7th reason for using Hargreaves Lansdown is the fact that their customer service is excellent quality. When you're investing large sums of money, you want to be sure that you are using a platform that you can trust with high communication. With Hargreaves Lansdown, you can contact them on X, Instagram, by email, or via telephone, and they reply just as swiftly. I have contacted them for numerous things like transferring my entire ISA portfolio between brokers, asking them questions about their accounts, and asking them questions about my investments, where certain situations have arisen like stocks delisting, or stocks going through name changes, stock consolidations, stock splitting, or stocks getting bought out by other companies. I can attest that they have been very helpful no matter the situation I have faced on the stock market. So thank you for listening to this video. If you're still here, please like and subscribe for more. If you have any questions about anything mentioned in this video today, or would like a separate video with further detail on something, please do feel free to comment below and ask away.